Hello. So what I want to do is show you how to use dark wax. This is probably the thing I get most questions about, but it really is very, very simple. So I'm going to show you how. I've chosen this orange piece of pine. I think it's really quite pretty. I'm going to do it on white, and then over the white I'm going to apply a little bit of dark wax, so not lots. I've used this brush because it gives you a little bit of texture, not too much. I don't want it very textured, but I do like the idea of having just something so that the dark wax can sort of get in and give you a little bit of character. I'm taking big brush marks. Don't want it to look fussy. The big brush strokes gives you a good freedom about it as well. It'll just make your work look so much nicer, and it's also quicker. So now I'm going to do the second coat. I just want to make certain I've got a little bit of texture, but not too much. This is all dry now, and I've just started to apply wax all over. In clear wax, that sealed the whole thing. The thing is, if you put dark wax immediately onto paint, which has got no wax on it at all, you've stained it and that's it, you can't change it. So this is a way of sealing it so that your next coats, you can play with it and get it darker or lighter and as you want. I'll just take a bit of cloth and wipe the excess so there's no lumps or bumps and nasty bits. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply another coat of wax, because what I want to do is to be able to work the dark wax into the clear wax. I don't want to do it straight onto a dry wax. That gives me time to play. I'm going to use brown wax. That's a dark wax. It's a brownish colour wax. I'm not using my black wax. Black wax is a very different look. It's a much more modern look. So this is brown and it has a more sort of antiqued look. So don't need too much. Put a bit on there. Don't worry, even if you get lots and lots of it on there, because you've got clear wax underneath, it's not a problem. Don't miss any bit, so go every which way. So you don't have any white bits showing at all. You don't want to give the game away. So now I'm going to take a bit of cloth, wipe around, wipe all this off. Now I could leave it like that, but I'm not going to because I want something really delicate. See, what's lovely is that it's gone in, that's where I sort of stippled it slightly. That's more brush marks. So those initial brush marks that you make are really, really, really important. So now it's quite dark, you can see, compared to the white paint, and that's really quite dark. So I'm going to go back with some clear wax, and then I'm going to sort of clean it off. Really get it really quite light. I want it to be delicate. Yes, I love this now. I love the way you can see what's happening. It's like sort of making history, really. And what a difference from that yellow pine. So that's it, my beautiful antiqued bed.